Malapad sa Sumao.
At tinilaling lagyo, amiligit kayo sa blandat.
But fish and vegetable allowed in the Philippines. Hi everyone, today is Sunday and we go with Shaira to buy vegetable and meat also near our place. I show it's Mavoki Mavalakan. We already in the market. I park motor in the road here and we will buy now vegetable, fruits, meat, and I will show to you later near market. New cafe open here. Don't have meat? A chicken I not need. Only meat I want. Chicken I can buy in hypermarket. Aye? Only this. We will buy only egg because meat already don't have good meat. How much?
100.
This 100. Need more.
Need more, so more, 15 pieces more.
Yes. Already don't have meat, only chicken. Chicken I can buy in hypermarket. Because so late go to market. But not so late, 6:30 only. Already don't have meat. Maybe next day. Shaira, vegetable, need buy vegetable. Next time, okay. I think need to go to market a little bit early. Because people won't buy before holidays. Holy Week. Before Holy Week they want to buy foods. And hypermarket also many people right now. This is vegetable. Cucumber. This time potato is 90 peso only. Last time we bought potato for 160 peso and sometimes 180 peso. Minimum we bought before in the market for 80 peso 1 kilo potato. Today is 90. 90 is okay. It's good price. For Philippines I mean good price. For our place.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ang pera tita, may nakbagyaw ah. 5.
Ah, money. 5 peso.
Ayaw nga.
So we bought only vegetable and egg. And next day, maybe tomorrow, we will go to market again to buy meat. Many people on weekend always here. So many people here. Do you want drink? Pineapple, okay? Yes. Shaira, a little bit take video here, okay? Okay.
Kinalakayan sa insulunod po at ipaningal mande paro po o ginoo emo po lalakuan magsulo-solo ikang-ikanan po marapat kang sumaw sa kasyempre inilagyo mo ka rin sa blakong kapatid at Korean ka ka pinagpuluhan ka hindi kayo makitakot yung kinong Korean hindi kayo sa bilang lahin ako paligayan sambanye at kayo sa bilang sarili hindi kayo.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog!
Hi bro!
Sa tama, leeg! Tapos, inukas na ang sarili mo sa buong tangan. At na inaske ng metong at may iwamis ko karing tao king sa bilambado. King pamatuwangis na karing tao, ligpa kong babayo, may big ka rin sa bulang. At medyo mamamutuya ang dating tinggap na ing kamatayan. Ing kamatayan, king metong aklas. Dapat ang Diyos naman, pinipni matas sa matas, at dininanay lagyo, aminigit kayo sa blang lagyo. Bangkalita, sinagyo ng Jesus, sikat lang si Lord, din sa blang tos, din karin kanila, at yung pwede ng labas, at yung nilalang ng labas. At yung sa Blanquilla, sukat ang ipagkag, yung Yesu Cristo, na yung inulo.
So many people. Drink pineapple. Okay. Oh, so cold pineapple. That is good. This is Holy Week is most important for Philippine people. And now you say cannot eat some meat.
Yes.
What kind of meat not allowed? All meat. A chicken?
I don't know.
You don't know. Chicken allowed or
But
what?
we always eat fish and vegetables.
But fish and vegetable allowed in the Philippines. In Tagalog, what name of this holiday? Name of this holiday in Tagalog?
Forgot already.
Hi?
I forgot.
You forgot, okay. Because you speak in Russian always. Okay.
Magdarami.
What?
Magdarami.
Okay.
In Kapampangan, magdarami.
Uh-huh.
Pabasa.
Pabasa, yes, I see Pabasa. In our barangay also Pabasa. So this time many people in the market because they buy in advance. Soon will close hypermarket, malls also close few days.
It depends.
Okay. But market open.
Yes.
Market open. Okay. We will buy tomorrow maybe meat.